In this video, we are going to show you how to create and edit conference rooms. A conference room is the ability for internal and external parties to dial into a secure call with a PIN code entry. First of all, we will select Conference Room from the Call Manager tab on the left. Once selected, you can either view existing rooms that have been created and edit them, or you can add a new room. To add a room, start by selecting Add. You will then be presented with 5 options. To start, you will need to select a room number. This is a 2 to 5 digit number that will be used by internal members of the team to dial into the conference call. Next, we need to give the room a name. Then you have the option to select a direct dial or DDI number. This is for external parties to be able to dial into the conference. Internal parties will dial the room number above, as described previously. From the drop-down menu, you can select one of the DDIs available. Next, we need to select a PIN code or password for parties to join the conference. Finally, you have the option for Use or Not Use. If Not Use is selected, the room will be created but isn't in use for people to join, so ensure the room is set to use if you intend to use it straight away. To create the conference room, hit the Save key. Once the conference room is created, you will see a list of all the available rooms here. If you wish to edit them, simply double-click on the room and hit the Modify button.